brand new banger. Hot shit. Hot shit.
Tired of these chicken heads. Ice in my cup, got the fur for the winter. Hatchets and chicken heads, I will not enter. Yes, I stay underground like Master Spencer. Bringing another sound, it's an adventure. Whoa, money don't make the man, cause the man makes the money in the palm of my hand. Shit get ugly when it hits the fan. I got pictures trying to figure out my master plan. Post-traumatic, used to post with addicts till my best friend turned into a ghost in the attic. No, I'm never gonna trust no chicken head. Full clip when I bust and you're freaking dead. Bullshit not here cause I'm sick in the head. I got a cold beer and a bad bitch in the bed.
Getting vigorous head.
Yeah, you heard what I said, that's why I don't fuck around with them ignorant heads. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, bwak, bwak, chicken heads. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, looking for my freaking bread. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, bwak, bwak, chicken heads. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, looking for my freaking bread. Watch for them hoes that be thirsty and desperate, looking for thrills that'll hurt your investment. Learning a lesson in something that's golden. Burning a section, the blunt that I'm holding. A gram and a half and my neck is all frozen. Kissing her ear as her legs are unfolding. If I catch feelings, then my cards are folding. That it's no longer showbiz cause mama didn't raise no fool. Mama didn't raise no fool. If you run up, then I'll put the spray on you. Then I'll put the spray on you. Chicken love, gotta pump the brakes on you. Gotta pump the brakes on you. Ain't no love, gotta pump the brakes on you. Gotta pump the brakes on you. Right? Damn chicken heads tryna take the spotlight. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, bwak, bwak, chicken heads. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, looking for my freaking bread. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, bwak, bwak, chicken heads. Bwak, bwak, chicken, chicken, looking for my freaking bread. Bro.